Here we have a windshield taillights for the 2009 Tahoe. And to install this taillights, first you're gonna remove the OEM one. The OEM taillights, you need to remove this one screw and this one screw. Once these two screws been removed, you just grab here and pull it back toward you. And flip over so you can see all the connectors. And the connectors, they're pretty easy to remove. Just twist and pull that out. Twist and pull out. And the bottom one is a side marker. You gotta pull that one out too. So we're gonna put this out to the side and grab the. So here we have the windshield one. So when you flip over, you'll see that all those holes and connectors. So we have a 1, 2, this is number 2, and 3, 4 connectors to connect. So the top one, let's rip this. You see this one? It needs to connect to the harness, the first one, this one. What you're gonna do is you need to remove the bulb from the OEM harness first, just like this, and then you can plug in this connector. But before this, you need to check, see the wiring. There's a black wire on one side and blue wire on the other side. You need to match the minus, which is the ground, on the connector. It shows ground. They need to match. Basically, they need to be on the same side. And then you just plug in like the bulb. And once it's been plugged in, you can fish the harness into the housing. And twist it to fully close the seal. And for the middle one, this one is the middle one, we're gonna reuse the OEM bulb. So this is a reverse light, and we don't change this bulb. And the bottom connector, we're gonna do the same as the top one. So remove this bulb first, like this, and then plug in this connector. Remember to match the negative to the black wire. They need to be on the same side. And then fish the wire into the housing. And twist it. Now everything is secured. The last one is a side marker. We reuse the side marker. It's the same location as the OEM one. Yep, push in and twist. and at the end you're gonna tuck this harness back into this insert so it doesn't move around like this. So now the harness is ready. And for the windjet taillights, we come with this insert. It will go on like this. But if your OEM insert is still in the car and you want to reuse the OEM one, you can just simply remove the insert on the windjet light and plug this into the OEM insert. Line up these two inserts and push it forward to the car and tighten these two bolts, two screws, then we'll be ready. Now this lights may install.